Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So you may be in the situation where your TikTok video has more likes than views, or like a very high amount of likes compared to the views. If you're in this situation, then typically what this means is when you post your TikTok video, it's getting targeted by spam accounts and bot accounts that can actually watch your TikTok video, or like your TikTok video without having to actually watch it. This happens on all the social medias like YouTube and Instagram and everything like that. So these bot accounts, they go out and they just mass like all these videos, leading to a very high like count compared to the view count. Another thing that could be causing this issue is that when it comes to the analytics of TikTok, it can sometimes take up to 72 hours for the view count to totally catch up. So you may be in that situation where the analytics have just not caught up, or you're in the other situation where the spam accounts or the bot accounts have targeted your video, leading to a very high like count compared to the view count. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.